Hi, I'm Leslie with JoMar Business Solutions. For a long time, we've passed down advice, habits, of course, and beliefs about money and credit, success, and survival, right? But some of those lessons helped us, and some of those lessons protected us. And some of the lessons simply belong to a different time. We've all learned some of those lessons belonged in a different time. However, the world has changed. So the way we work has changed. The way we borrow has changed. The way we build wealth has changed. The way information moves has changed. Yet many of us are still trying to navigate yesterday's challenges with with yesterday's understanding. And it's time for us to change. It is. It's just time. And not because the generations before have failed us, not because they didn't care. It's just because they didn't have an understanding. And when you have an understanding, you have clarity. And clarity is control. So it's time for us to stop making decisions based on fear and start making decisions based on, again, on understanding. It's time for us to learn how the systems actually work, to understand credit instead of fearing it, to understand stability instead of chasing for appearances. We need to stop and understand and not keep repeating these cycles over and over again that we keep passing down to each generation. Again, that's why I created Clarity Command. Please visit us at www.jomarbusinesssolutions.com. You'll see our information about Clarity Command. You'll also see our information about the classes. And I want you guys to look through those, and wherever you are on your journey, I tried to make sure that each and every class went from students all the way up to adults, and wherever you are in your financial journey. If you have any questions, you can always email us at support@jomarbusinesssolutions.com, or, of course, just please visit the website, go through it. And again, I appreciate you guys listening, and I want to make sure that we are getting an understanding in what's happening today, and it's in plain language. I try to make sure that this was in plain language for everyone to understand credit and how money moves. Again, this is Leslie with JoMar Business Solutions. Thank you.